Are you a born-again Christian? Do you want to learn about Christianity? Do you want to know more about the Bible? Are you new to Christianity? If the answer is yes to any of those questions, then this video is for you. Hi, I'm Holy Venom of Creepman Studios, and today we are going to talk about where to start reading the Bible if you are a new Christian or if you want to learn more about the Christian faith. Now, the first book of the Bible I suggest reading for a new Christian or someone who wants to learn about Jesus Christ is the book of John. The book of John goes into the type of person Jesus was, how it shows his love for us, his love for mankind, and just basically how he was as a person, aside from being the Son of God, just how he was as a person, how humbling he was, how wise he was, and just basically how Jesus was as a person. I got my Bible right here, just so you know, guys. The King James Bible. The second book of the Bible I suggest that I feel would be good for new Christians is the book of Proverbs. Now, the book of Proverbs is a book full of heavenly knowledge and wisdom. For the first chapter in the first chapter of the book of Proverbs, in the first verse, is the fear of the Lord is the beginning of knowledge and wisdom. If you like wisdom and you like knowledge, then this I suggest to you. And lastly, but not least, and probably the most important book of the Bible I suggest is the book of Revelation. The book of Revelation is the book about the end times that we are living in legitimately right now. There have been a lot of prophecies in the book of Revelation that have been fulfilled. For example, the prophecy of Revelation 12, verses 1 and 2, that has been fulfilled on September 23rd, 2017. If you like this video and you want to see more, drop down in the comments below. Please like, share, comment, subscribe for more videos on the Bible and Christianity. Thank you, God bless, and have a great day.